Hello and welcome to our fifth video in the Pig a Dice Game series. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to do anything. I'm just going to show you what you need to do. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to duplicate player one, both in the XAML and in the code behind. And you're also going to have to deal with some visibility. So this would be where it's player one turn. So the red buttons are on and the red buttons are off here and the gray buttons are off here. So you have to do this both in the XAML and the C#, and you should test both ways. First, I'm going to hit, and it's adding my score. And as soon as I hit a 1, we go 0. So then I'm going to close it, and then at the very top in main page, you'll notice I have player 1 buttons gray, visibility equals visibility collapsed. We're going to change this to test the other way. So we're going to change this to 2, and we're going to change player 1 button visibility. Then we're going to hit Control S, and now we're going to test it in the opposite direction. So now we have player 2 is the red buttons are showing and the gray buttons are showing in player 1, and we're going to hit, and we're just going to keep gathering our score until we hit a 1. So that's your job for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.